marked. Kill them. Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Big Cat 188, so check me out. We already know that that new Sykov pistol is freaking broken, bro. But in today's video, I dropped 27 kills, and pretty much all my kills came from using this pistol. Now, this is the class setup that I was using in today's video. I had the M16 and the Sykov pistol, but I actually did not use the Akimbo version. I used just one Sykov pistol because it gives me a little bit of mid-range, and of course, it's going to be great close range. Not as great as Akimbo. It won't shred as fast as the Akimbo, but it still does the job just as well. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit this video with a like, and make sure you watch the entire thing because this was a wild gameplay, bro. I don't even know how I won because there was literally like 40 people left and my whole team was dead, and I ended up clutching the entire thing out. It is definitely one of my better videos yet, so be sure to watch the entire thing, and I'll catch you guys next one. I'm Big Cat 188, and I'm out. Peace.
I'm ready, though.
Overhead. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Contact!
Oh my.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
I saw them quick.
Help.
Entering the AO.
Oh, TV station, if you can.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
They may have another UAV for when this one runs out.
UAV is bingo fuel.
But we need it.
For resupply.
Where?
Pop it,
Friendly
please.
UAV overhead.
Oh no.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Need another UAV.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Right here, right in front of me, camping.
Need a UE, guys.
Same.
Give me like 2 seconds.
Friendly UAV overhead.
You're not good.
No, no, I'm dead. And one's ghosted. Why wouldn't it?
Sort to the objective.
What the fuck?
No, stopping power on me, man.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Oh, bro, stopping power, crouching in a bush.
He's in a bush?
Not no more, he's in the room now. He was in the bush.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Well, she's in the bathroom. He's camping. He's a weirdo. There's a Lodi in front of me.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Copy, maybe.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty
Lodi right
target.
here. Hold up. Yeah, I hear people.
UAV entering the AO.
On me.
Oh my god, there's no way.
Got him.
Be advised, UAV.
Bro, I've died both times and my head is blown up. Well, the first time I had self-res. Look on top of red, bro. They're literally fucking looking right now. They're peeking too. They're like so weird.
Comes.
Yo. Fuck.
Please come to TV.
Hostile
So
dropping into the
many.
area. Watch the skies.
I'll be back at.
Hold up. I need comms. I got a whole team on me.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Go back up that stairs. I have your back.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's three.
Target down.
Still two up.
Grenade out.
Down one, go up. Got fast off from behind.
You're so toxic.
Oh, fuck them.
Gas moving in.
Wait, what? You got that behind that rock.
Target marked. Send
My legs broke from jumping off of you.
3-1, good copy. Strike inbound. Shots missed. I've got
Bunny for, you said?
I'm gonna buy you back, Vultures. He went to the ravine, bro.
Man. Please go to TV station if you want more kills. I want my guns. Actually, I'm just gonna land on those guys' guns.
Get over here.
Relocating.
I need plateaus.
Appreciate you.
I need to find where that little bitch went. Oh, he's way over here. Like over here.
No, no. I'm getting shot from fucking fire, bro.
But I'm going to kill this kid.
Red? I need plates if you got it, Mikey.
Red where, bro? On me?
Red, yeah. Like red.
I am, man.
I'm reservable, please. Unless you can, then fuck it.
I don't think I can. Bro, where? You're sitting second floor window. I'm a fucking loser, bro. Sitting there watching Buy Station. I wonder how good he feels.
Oh my god.
I'm really on pace for the 32, man.
Look how many's still up.
Oh my god. Yeah, I am on pace for a 30. Can you
Can you
res?
get the res at titties?
Wait, you're both dead?
Yeah.
Are you safe, Voltrace?
Oh my god.
You're not getting to me, son.
Yeah. You're not gonna make me cry.
I'm not getting to you? Wait,
No.
wait, where's the thing at? Oh yeah, I got enough. Okay.
No, get Mikey. Mikey's okay. I'm just out here dying. I guess I'm the vibe. Fuck.
Wait, where'd you get shot from? Where'd you kill those people at?
Gas is inbound.
Wait, so Vultures, where were they all at? Fire stations still?
Yeah, I killed fire stations down.
They're still by blue.
That's where I got shot from blue. Oh, I really want to know if I can get my guns, bro.
Oh my god. That other one res too?
Fuck.
You got all of them? Keep
One.
fighting right here.
Moving. Gas is inbound.
I just got sniped!
What the?
Oh my god.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
yeah, you're locked in.
Watch for enemy.
I love it.
Wait, I'm safe.
You can't, I don't think. Actually, yeah, you might.
Yeah, I'm safe. They're fighting. The team that just sniped me, they're fighting.
Oh, there's a dude flying in. Oh no. Oh no,
At
they
least get
see
your
me?
20, bro. Don't go out like this.
Damn. Why you gotta be dead, Mikey?
I don't know.
There's
I
so many
really
people
don't
just
know where-
flying in.
I don't know where I got sniped from. Yeah, plate.
Yeah, I got 8.
40
You should go to
41
fire station.
still
There's a
up.
shitload.
It's at least a 27, at least.
Oh, there's people up there now. There's people up there.
Moving.
Cracked on armor.
Where?
On that mark. Your mark.
On green?
Right, close.
How did he even touch me?
That frame shit.
50 meters? Left, same
20,
spot.
20, baby.
I just got sniped from the ravine. Oh, everyone just hits their snipes on me. He's right there on that mark right in front. He's gonna push me. Look at me. He's pushing.
No way.
He just torched you. This one right here.
Why is he coming to me?
Marking new safe zone.
I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna let him focus me.
Enemy marked.
Final deployment is fueling up now. Get this done. Sharpish. Your team is KIA. It's up to you now. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
I have 14 kills
Wait,
or 14 deaths.
shh. Where is that? Oh.
Contact!
Taking fire.
I gotta win the game, don't I? No way I can buy any of y'all back.
No, you gotta win it.
Yeah, there's about neighborhood.
Get your kills.
Get your
Get
Yeah,
your kills.
yeah, there's no way I can get y'all.
Gas is
I mean, you
inbound.
could probably,
Marking new
but
safe
just get
zone.
your
Nah, it'll be a death sentence.
Just get your kills, bro. I'm not worried about coming back. Not in a bot. Just kill all 14, and we'll call it even.
I just want a gas mask.
At least kill 8.
He just went to the drop the third. Yeah. I love this.
I gotta get across, don't I?
You're losing ground.
I don't even want to get off now.
Had a feeling that'd happen. I didn't fix my classes though.
9 enemies are still active. Hunt them down.
No, he has a fucking pistol.
There was more than one.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
There he is. So much better.
Hey, 6 left.
Only 4 enemies remain.
damn.
You know what to do.
Wait, there's solos. You might actually win this shit. They're all solos.
You've got
They're all
gas moving
fighting.
in.
Yeah, they're fighting.
Yeah, they're all solos.
For real?
Right there. See right?
Where?
Right there. I'm looking by that tent. Right there, look.
Contact!
He's, I don't know what the hell he's thinking.
I knew you were just better.
1v1, baby.
Is that a 1v1?
You're a different breed.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Hey, they don't make him like Cat no more, y'all.
Hey, let's fucking do it, baby. Come on.
You're losing ground.
I hear him.
That's me. Oh
God, no way.
Yo,
Wow.
hey, Cat.
That's a
Hey,
game. That's a game,
content.
bro.
That's
That's
a video.
content, boy. Yo, I can't believe that right there. I knew he was gonna be somewhere camping, somewhere weird, so I went to go hide in a bush.